This is with regard to former Maharashtra Home Minister Anil Deshmukh. The CBI has now registered a case against, an FIR against Anil Deshmukh. CBI is also searching multiple places, including Anil Deshmukh's residence. Those are the details coming in. This is with respect to the corruption case that Anil Deshmukh has been accused of. In fact, now the CBI has registered an FIR against former Maharashtra Home Minister. In fact, this is with regard to the alleged corruption allegations that the former Commissioner of Police had put on Anil Deshmukh, and searches are now underway at multiple places, including the ex-minister's house. Those are the details coming in at this point in time. In fact, the FIR happened after a preliminary probe of the CBI. Let me go across to Sandhya for more on this. Sandhya, if you can take us through the details here and also just rewind a bit and give us the background.
So we started with when a gelatin-laden Scorpio was found outside Ambani's residence Antilia on 25th of February. After that, on 5th of March, Mansukh Hiren, who allegedly was in possession of that Scorpio, was found dead. After that, once NIA got the case, Mumbai Police's API, now who is suspended, Sachin Waze was arrested in both the cases. And since then, the investigation was on, and the political pressure was there on Maharashtra government. And mounting to that political pressure, Maharashtra government actually transferred then Mumbai Police Commissioner Paramveer Singh as DG of Home Guards. And after that transfer, Paramveer Singh actually wrote a letter to Maharashtra CM and made allegations against Anil Deshmukh that Deshmukh, who was the Home Minister of Maharashtra at that time, used to call junior cops of Mumbai Police to his residence, and he used to give them targets and instructions to collect protection money from bars, restaurants, hotels, and other establishments. And he had given a target of 50 cops. And after those allegations, Anil Deshmukh also resigned, and then Paramveer Singh and few others approached Bombay High Court seeking a CBI inquiry in these allegations. And Bombay High Court actually on 6th of April, responding to one of the petition filed by Advocate Jayashree Patil, directed CBI to conduct a preliminary inquiry, Avni. And Bombay High Court said that it will be the prerogative of the CBI director to decide the next course of action based on the conclusion of that particular preliminary inquiry. So CBI did conduct this inquiry and questioned Anil Deshmukh, Sachin Waze. In fact, Paramveer Singh's statement was also recorded by CBI. And now CBI has filed an FIR against Anil Deshmukh and other. More details are yet to come, Avni, that who all are these people other than Anil Deshmukh who are named in the FIR. What are the exact sections? As of now, in Anil Deshmukh's residence and other places, searches by CBI are going on. Avni.
Yes, absolutely, Sandhya. Like you pointed out, there are more details that are still awaited in terms of the details of the FIR itself, the charges, the others who have been named. But of course, if you can tell us, just give us a reminder as to what exactly did Paramveer Singh's letter say and what kind of allegations did he make on Anil Deshmukh?
So there were a couple of allegations made by Paramveer Singh, Avni. First one was about the protection money. So according to Paramveer Singh's letter, Anil Deshmukh on various occasions called junior cops that included Sachin Waze also. Sachin Waze and the DCP and ACP of Social Service Branch of Mumbai Police. He called them to his residence, and his PA and Anil Deshmukh actually asked these cops to collect protection money. According to that letter written by Paramveer Singh, Anil Deshmukh said that there are 1,750 restaurants and bars and hotels in Mumbai, and the protection money collection target is 100 crore rupees. So even if 2 to 3 lakh rupees are collected from each of these establishments, easily 40 to 50 crore can be collected as protection money, and rest of the amount the cops were asked to collect via using the similar methods. And that was one bit of the allegation. Another bit was related to the alleged suicide of MP Mohan Delkar. So according to Paramveer Singh, he explained it to Anil Deshmukh, saying that the case is based out of Nagar Haveli. Only the suicide happened in Mumbai. So in that case, it should not be Mumbai police who should conduct this inquiry, but it should be Dadar and Nagar Haveli police. But according to Paramveer Singh, Anil Deshmukh did not pay any heed to his suggestion and the information which he gave him. And he went on and declared and announced an SIT of Mumbai police officers and asked them to investigate Mohan Delkar suicide case. So all these allegations were made by Paramveer Singh against Anil Deshmukh in that letter which was written by him to Maharashtra Chief Minister. Avni.
All right, Sandhya, thank you so much for joining us with all of those details.